Howdy TPD Dale fans and happy Wet Wednesday.
We really hoped you enjoyed our premiere trailer for our upcoming Plant Destroyer series.
Yes, and we're thrilled to share with you this fascinating pathogen and answer the question, what is Phytophthora? The name of the genus Phytophthora is derived from the Greek that literally means phyto, which is plant, and phthora, which is destroyer. Hence the naming of this series. It is a soil-borne pathogen that is categorized as an oomycete, also known as a water mold. Oomycetes were once thought to be fungi, but their devastating power in the fact that their cell wall is composed of a mix of cellulosic compounds and glycan instead of chitin, which is found in the walls of true fungi, forced taxonomists to give them their own classification. One of the most distinguishing characteristics of oomycetes is their production of zoospores, a spore of a fungus or fungus-like organism with flagella capable of locomotion in water. The zoospores are produced in sporangia, a sac-like structure in which the entire contents are converted into an indefinite number of asexual spores in certain fungi and fungus-like organisms. Phytophthora zoospores contain two flagellum. One is a whiplash type, while the other is a tensile type. These flagellum allow the zoospores to swim in water films on leaf surfaces, in soil water, in hydroponic media, and in natural bodies of water in search of a host to infect. Sexual reproduction of oomycetes occurs via the production of gametangia, oogonia, the female, and antheridia, male. The fertilized oogonium will develop into a thick-walled oospore, which allows oospores of many species to be able to survive for years in soil. I think the microscopic world of Phytophthora is to die for. I mean, if I were a plant, that is.
I mean, if you were a plant, I think you'd be saying, uh-oh. Anyways, catch us for part 2 of our Plant Destroyer series, where we talk about how Phytophthora has affected history.
Bye.
Bye.